Hey guys, what's going on? It is Vega, and today I'm going to show you guys how I set up my spiritual self-love healing bath, and it is featuring my candle No Static, which is a third eye intention candle available at vegathefree.com. The thing I love about the No Static candle is that the lavender matches very well with the third eye chakra. It has amethyst, fluorite, and an iridescent clear quartz crystal, along with some copper flakes to give it a beautiful sparkly hue when it lights. I don't know about you guys, but there is something magical about lighting a candle and setting an intention. Like if you kind of dig deep into your spirit, you can feel whatever intention is on your mind igniting with the fire. Like it's giving your intention energy. And I feel like that is a very important part of the fire element with an intention candle. So this day, my intention was to heal my third eye chakra. This candle has lavender and jasmine essential oil. So here's an overview of everything I'm going to be using for this bath. And as you can see, it looks very peaceful and healing, and that is the energy that I want. So the first item that I'm going to use is going to be my magic tea. I also have some dried lemon that I'm going to be using. Next, I have my Everything Nice sugar scrub, and it literally is that Everything Nice. It has a lot of great smelling things in there. I use coconut and olive oil base. I have my Florida water, which I make at home on new and full moons. So if you guys want a video on that, let me know. I also have Lavender Essential Oil, Peacock or Chakra Alignment Intention Oil, which is available on my website. Cinnamon bark. So I'm actually going to smudge and cleanse my bath with cinnamon bark today. Some people use Palo Santo or white sage. Today I'm going to be using cinnamon bark. I have some baby's breath, just a few selection of flowers that I chose, daisies and whatnot. So all of my flowers are going to be in my bath, and these were the flowers that I recently purchased, so that's why they're going to be used today. This is my Epsom salt and pink Himalayan salt bath soak. It also has herbs and flowers in there. And last but not least, the element we're going to be adding is dried yellow roses. I have my rose quartz in the corner for love, and of course for my heart chakra. Self-love today, guys. All about self-love. So one thing I really enjoy about all of my candle vessels is the fact that they have a iridescent hue to them, and they can be reused for so many different things. For decorative purposes, they would make an excellent makeup brush holder. You can put a plant in it when you're done, jewelry, sunglasses, whatever you like. It can definitely be repurposed and reused. Or if you're into candle making like me, you can just make your own candle again and keep reusing this beautiful vessel. I feel like it just matches the ambiance of my bathroom so well. Next, I'm going to be setting up my crystal grid. So there are many different grids that people use. I feel like whatever one speaks to you is fine. Since I'm doing a bath, it makes sense to align them along my tub. So I have fluorite double pointed in the center. I have amethyst clusters, 2 on each end, and a clear quartz and a apophyllite crystal to seal the ends off. So I use the clear crystals as a sense of connection to the divine so that I can receive messages through my third eye. And the fluorite is giving power to the third eye, to shooting power to the intention of the third eye, to the amethyst, and to receive connection from the divine with the apophyllite in clear quartz. I know that was a mouthful, but that's my intention. So that way, when I step over the crystal into the tub, it would allow me to feel like I'm going into a place of connection and understanding with the divine, so that my intuition can be strengthened to receive messages from them. And I also have 2 candles on the end for, the energy of fire to help push that intention. And fire is just going to help your intention in general, but it's just like how your mind works, or what intention you would like to set for yourself. And then candles just make you feel warm and cozy. It's just a beautiful natural healing feeling. So yes, get you some candles, put them in a safe space, and just make your bath as magical as you like. Now we are going to start adding our components to our bath. I like to add my Epsom and pink Himalayan salt mixture first. So it has a lot of floral notes which will float in the tub. You can add as much or as little as you like. Me in particular, I like a lot of salt in my bath. I am a Virgo sun, a Cancer moon, and a Sagittarius rising, but I feel like I attach more to my Cancer energy with water, and water is one of the most healing elements to me personally, so I like to put a very generous amount of salt in my bath. But this can last for multiple soaps or multiple baths that you would take, so it's just at your preference, whatever that is. So yes, look at that candle burning so beautifully. The next thing I am going to add is going to be my bath tea. So you can open it and add more floral notes just to float in the water if you like, but I already have that with my bath soap. So the bath tea is just a way to get all of the herbs together, a larger amount of herbal blend inside of your water. Next, I'm going to add my Florida water. So like I was telling you guys, I make my own Florida water. I will usually make it on a new moon when I have a lot of energy. I don't know why, I have a lot of energy on a full moon, but I usually do. So I'm always amped to clean my house and to create Florida water. Florida water helps to protect your home. It helps to cleanse your home and bring peace, prosperity, and healing. I use Florida water to cleanse my hands before I do a tarot or oracle reading, and I'm going to use it to cleanse my body and for protection as I take my bath. And so if you guys want a video on how I make Florida water, please comment down below. Next, I will be adding my Lavender Essential Oil. You can use whatever brands you like. This is the Now brand. So I really like the Now brand essential oil. So this is what I'm going to be using for my bath. Just a few drops, and however much you like. Lavender is naturally relaxing, so it helps you to chill. Next, we have our Peacock or Chakra Alignment Oil. So since I'm working on my third eye, why not bring my Chakra Alignment Oil into the mixture to help boost the healing of my third eye and all of my chakras. I'll probably use about a half a dropper. You can use as little or as much as you like. Everything is up to you to create your magic. Now it is time to start adding our lemon to give us some nice citrus notes into this bath. Yes, I dry my own lemon at home. You can also purchase dried lemon, but I have a food dehydrator, so it helps me to dry lemon and keep it for my teas and my body products. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And you can use fresh lemon too. It's all up to you. But doesn't that just look so beautiful and peaceful? And I'm telling you guys, it was. So I really enjoyed this bath. It was everything. Yes. So after I add my lemon, I'm going to just start to add my flowers, and you can place them strategically or just toss them. It just depends on you. I like to just reinforce it's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about your intention. So if you want to do a chakra healing bath, self-love bath, if you want to give honor to, maybe your orishas or a deity that you are connected with, this is a perfect way for you to do that. Just giving honor and embodying those elements. Um, showing appreciation to the divine, your ancestors, those who have come before you, ascended masters, everything. Like whatever your intention is, do that. Do it with intention. And gratitude is everything. This moment right here embodies gratitude. To even be able to sit in a place of healing and to manifest this moment is important, and it definitely deserves thanks. So, these moments can continue to occur, and self-love and good energy can continue to flow. We create, our realities by our mind. So paint the world the way that you want to paint it. Paint beauty, prosperity, healing, creativity, everything, bring it to fruition. Everything matters, so decorate the world how you want to. And last but not least to this mixture, of course, I'm going to be adding my dried yellow roses. So you can use red roses if you like, but I feel like roses in a bath is a necessity for a self-love bath. So remember the cinnamon bark. So now it's time to incorporate that. So cinnamon bark, when it burns, it just smells extremely sweet. So I'm going to just hover it over my water and bless and use my intention to heal my bath and to bring sweetness into my life. If you would like to, of course, crack a window, open the door, do whatever you have to do so you don't choke. And so that you can release, any negative energy or whatever out of your space. Let the energy flow, let it cleanse, and let it move. So now it's time to step over into my bath and start the whole healing process of cleansing my body. So I'm going to show you guys how I use my Everything Nice sugar scrub. I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with sugar scrubs and how to use them, but this is mine in particular. I love the formula. I love the way that it busts my skin. And the intention I use with my sugar scrub is to polish myself and to keep myself up and in honor and light and an appreciation. So I am polishing the vessel that I am. I am important, I matter, I am beautiful, and I am strong. So you can use any element of your bath and put intention with it. Your vessel, your body is important. Cleanse yourself, polish yourself, shine your light. You are royalty, you have a purpose, your life matters. All of that is within the Everything Nice sugar scrub. That is my intention for it. You are beautiful and you are everything. So moving on to another component of a spiritual bath or a self-love bath, you can definitely grab a notebook and write your intentions, write down positive affirmations, write down what you want to get from this bath, how you want it to cleanse you, and how you want it to improve your life moving forward. Maybe you want to have more confidence, you want to be more social and engaged and to shine your light more. You want more love in a romantic way, or you can even review how far that you've come. You may take an old journal and write down everything that you've manifested, or you journal and see everything that has occurred so far and just reflect. So these are just a few suggestions that I have for a spiritual self-love healing bath. is pretty much it, guys. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys will like, share, and subscribe, because that's how we stay together as a community and connect with one another. So I have so much more in store. If you guys want to know how I do any other spiritual practices, or how I create my candles or products, please like, share, and subscribe this video, and I will be back for more. Thank you so much for tuning in. We love you. The divine loves you. If nobody told you today, you matter.